Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Ayan this side, or today we are going to discuss another problem. So the problem and name is invert binary tree. It is 226 problem of the LeetCode. It is a very easy problem, but you try to understand the problem. It is little bit not hard, it is medium. So please this video listen carefully because like this is a really important problem. So basically the problem is saying that like given the root of the binary tree, invert the tree and the return is root. So basically yeah, like you see the example one, so the root is 4 and then you see the output is also 4. Okay, but you see the left and the right. Okay, it if you want to swap it. For example, like the 4 left is 2 and the right is 7, but you see the output is 4 left is 7 and the right is 2, because like it swap it left and right. Okay, so basically that is a problem. Like you see the example 2, the root is 2 and the left is 1 and the right is 3, but you see the output is like left is 3 and the right is 1. So like you want to swap it. Like you see the sample input 3, like root is null, so you want to simply return null. So for example, I'm just like using the condition like if root is equal null, so I simple return root. Okay, simple return. Okay, because it is null, so simply return it. Okay, so it is like empty, so that's why. Yeah, so for example, just a minute, like I solve this problem with using the helper function, so it is very easy. Okay, so just like yeah, so for example, okay, so I'm creating the helper function. Okay, so this is like, yeah, got it. Okay, so like I'm just kidding upper side. Okay, not an issue. Okay, so public void and then using the helper function, and then it is the like tree node and then root. Okay, so basically that is the helper function, and then I call the helper function like helper and then root. Okay, and then simply return root. It is not like it is void. Yeah, okay, so basically for like you see the example one, so the for left is 2 and the right is 7, so you want to swap it. Okay, so you know that what is the concept of the swap. You want to create the temp variable and then simply swap it. Okay, so like I'm just creating temp variable and then store the root dot left. Okay, so root dot left and then root dot left is root dot right and then root dot right is temp. Yeah, and then after that this working is working on the next, like on the next left and right, so I call the recursion. Simply I call the recursion like it is left side and then call the recursion right side. So basically like I want to say something in the recursion form, like like you just learning the recursion. So firstly like you want to faith it recursion give the answer is correct. Don't go through the inner side of the recursion because you are confused and like you are demotivated it. Okay, so firstly like you try to understand the recursion how it's work, then after that like you pro in a recursion, then after that you go through in the inner side of the recursion. Okay, so that's why, that's my points. Okay, thank you. So basically like I call the right, left and right, and just like run this code. Okay, I'm just like error. Okay, this is the tree node temp equals to root dot left. Okay, it's give the error is the null pointer the left because the parameter is null. Okay, the parameter is null. I'm not using the condition like if root equals to null, so like I simply return, because like I'm using the void condition, so that's why it is return types is only return. Okay, so I'm run the, yeah, three test cases is working fine. I try to submit this code. Okay, the code is submitted, not and give any error. So I hope you understand very well. If you have any doubt of any line, so please comment on this video. So thank you so much.